How to reverse money on Capitec app. How to reverse money on. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to learn about how to reverse money on Capitec app. So let's just jump right into the video. First thing first, make sure you have the Capitec app installed and that you're logging into your account with your username and PIN. And once you're logged in, you can find this home screen of the app. So the next thing is you need to go to the transactions. On the home screen, you need to look for the transaction option, this one right here in the middle. And once you are here, you'll be finding this. So head over to the debit order section. And here under this debit order section, you need to scroll through your list of recent transactions to find the one you want to reverse. So you will be seeing details like the recipient's name, the amount, and the date. Once you've found the correct transaction, tap on it to view the full details. After you open the transaction, look for an option that says reverse payment or something similar. And Capitec will ask you to confirm the reversal. So double check the details before processing. And once you confirm it, the app will process the reversal. And that is it. Now you know how to reverse money on the Capitec app. It is quick and easy when you follow the steps. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. And thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.